Welcome to AgriBot channel. Today we are talking about a very practical solution for one of North India's biggest farm problems, crop residue burning. ICAR's Rotary Disc Drill, or RDD, is designed to seed directly into residue-covered fields, helping farmers save money, protect soil health, and reduce pollution. Residue burning is still a serious problem in the northern plains, especially in rice, wheat, and sugarcane-wheat cropping systems. When crop residue is burned, farmers lose valuable nutrients that could have gone back into the soil. It also harms soil structure and creates heavy smoke, which affects both the environment and human health. So the need is not just residue management, but residue management that is practical for farmers. To address this challenge, ICAR Indian Institute of Wheat and Barley Research at Karnal developed the Rotary Disc Drill. This machine is meant for direct seeding in fields where crop residue is still present, whether it is standing, anchored, or lying loose on the surface. That is a big advantage because farmers do not need to clear the field completely before sowing. In fact, the innovation is significant enough that a patent application has already been filed for it. Now let's understand the working in a simple way. The RDD is a PTO-operated active implement, which means it uses tractor power through the PTO shaft. At the front, it has a rotary cutting unit with soil razor disc blades that cut through residue and prepare a path. Behind that, the seeding attachment with double disc furrow openers places the seed properly in the soil, making it a triple disc mechanism overall. The technical specifications are quite important for farmers and machine operators. The soil razor discs rotate at about 380 to 400 revolutions per minute, when the tractor PTO is running at the standard 540 revolutions per minute range. For smooth operation, the machine needs a dual clutch-enabled tractor. Also, at least 45 horsepower is required, so farmers should check tractor compatibility before planning to use it. One of the strongest features of the RDD is its ability to work in heavy residue loads. It can seed effectively in rice residue, both anchored and loose, up to 8 tons per hectare. In sugarcane trash-covered fields, it can handle up to 10 tons per hectare. Even more useful, it can work in relatively moist residue, which gives farmers flexibility to operate in the early morning or late evening, when many other direct seeding machines struggle. This is not a single crop machine. The RDD can be used for wheat, rice, soybean, pea, barley, gram, and pigeonpea, which makes it useful across different farm plants. In terms of performance, its field capacity is around 0.4 to 0.5 hectare per hour. Fuel consumption is about 12 to 15 liters per hectare, depending on soil condition and how much residue is present in the field. The economic and environmental benefits are very impressive. Direct sowing of wheat under rice residue using RDD can save around 200 rupees per hectare in input cost compared to conventional tillage. On top of that, it reduces carbon dioxide emissions by about 120 to 130 kilograms per hectare. So this technology is not only good for the farmer's pocket, but also good for cleaner and more sustainable agriculture. The machine was not just tested in research plots, it was demonstrated in farmers' fields under participatory mode from 2020-21 to 2022-23. These demonstrations happened in Karnal district of Haryana and Shamli district of Uttar Pradesh. The results showed that direct seeding of wheat under crop residue with RDD gave similar or even higher yield than conventional practice. At the same time, fuel cost came down by about 60 to 65%, which is a major practical gain for farmers. For farmers in rice, wheat, and sugarcane wheat systems, this technology can be especially valuable. In sugarcane fields, wheat sowing often gets delayed, but RDD helps establish wheat directly into sugarcane trash and advance sowing time. That can help increase wheat area and improve productivity in sugarcane-based systems. It may also allow farmers to fit in an additional crop like moong bean, increasing cropping intensity and overall profit. So the Rotary Disc Drill is a strong example of how smart farm machinery can solve real field problems like residue burning, delayed sowing, and high fuel use. If you found this useful, do like, share, and subscribe to AgriBot channel for more practical agriculture technologies and farmer-focused innovations.